everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So today I'm popping on with my Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine issue 266. I'm really looking forward to this magazine. It's a long while since I popped on with a magazine. I used to pop on once a month and share the Simply Cards magazine with you all. So just before I go through my magazine with you, I just want to pop on with this gorgeous card that I have received from Emma at Emma Lou Loves here on YouTube. So Emma has created this beautiful card, just a note, and she has so kindly cut me out some cute little bows. Aren't these absolutely gorgeous? And then she's popped a lovely minty fresh peppermint tea in alongside the beautiful bows. And isn't this so cute? A lovely little paper clip, but in the style of a little heart. And then this is my lovely cute bows. So Emma has cut a number of bows for me. That's really kind, Emma. So I've just popped my little piece of string off and I'm just going to show you there. Look at all the lovely colours of the little bows. That's like a little blush pink, a lovely lemon. Then we've got like a little bit of a peachy colour there, gorgeous green and a lovely blue. And this one is like a bit of a pebble colour or sort of grey there, and a white. I'm not going to take them off the other ones as they are the same colours, and yeah, how pretty are those. So thank you ever so much, Emma, for my lovely little bows, gorgeous card and my lovely minty fresh tea. Thanks ever so much. Don't forget to head to Emma's channel and show her some crafty love. So I've already cut my plastic open. I shall just remove that and pop that into my bin. I'll come onto my paper shortly. So we have our normal step-by-step guides, new releases, techniques and discounts, 144 expert ideas to inspire you. I love this card on the front of the magazine. I did a similar design on my channel at Christmas with one of these lovely cards. So I'm not going to go through every page. I will do a little flip through because when you buy your magazine, you would, enjoy sitting back and relaxing and going through it yourself. Okie dokie, so this is the card on the front of the magazine and it's designed by Nikki Gilbert, and Nikki has created some fabulous cards, absolutely beautiful. You're stunning with the little birds. Then on this page we've got a design by Rachel Jones in full bloom, and how beautiful are they? I absolutely adore those. And again, you get your step-by-step guides, then you get little tips. Here is the creative stamping magazine, and you can order your copy at Craft Stash. They have all your favourite craft magazines and more. Just going to flip over a few pages. Like I say, you will want to look at this at your leisure. Oh, now I like that, the gift box collection. This lovely gift box here where all the boxes are stacked up beautifully. I love that. Very nice. And that was created by Vicky Derrick. Then we have some more of the Spring Birds collection, and these cards and projects are designed by Jen McKean. So Jen's done some lovely cards there. This one is a floral rocker card. I really like that. Yeah, this one is so pretty. And she's got some more over the page. I really love the blue colours, absolutely gorgeous. And then there are some designs by Christine Smith. Now then, I really like this one. It is Thinking of You, and yeah, I love the design, and a lovely thank you one. Beautiful, really like those. And then here at the back, it is showing the next issue in the Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. It is the Alter New Must Have set. Now, I have this magazine, however, I haven't got onto that yet. I haven't even opened it up yet. So I will look forward to looking through my next magazine. A good way of ordering is through Craft Stash. If you are interested. That is my little quick flick through my magazine today. So I will pop on to my lovely paper pad. Okie dokie, so this is the paper pad. So you get 32 pretty floral patterned papers, 45 handy die cut topper sheets, and 22 cut and craft sentiments. Now, looking at the front, this is one of the better paper pads that I've had from my Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. This looks absolutely adorable. Oh wow, yes. And the quality is absolutely wonderful. A lovely thick card, yeah. And these are the little toppers and sentiments that will just pop out of the sheet. I love that. I love the pretty little birds and the pretty colours. Absolutely stunning. Oh, aren't they cute? Really cute. I love those. Then we have this one, and this says Spring Wishes, Bloom and Grow. Oh, lovely. This one, I would need to cut down those ones. Those two sheets just pop out. These will need to be cut down. Then we have another sheet here with sentiments and toppers. You are the spring in my step. Oh, I like that. Spring is in the air. Wonderful friend. A little bird told me it's your birthday. Oh, that's beautiful. Love those. And like I say, the quality is, you can probably get a rough idea by the sound. It's a really lovely quality card. And then these ones, yeah, I can just pop those out. These, again, these will just pop out. Bloom where you are planted. Everyone should have a friend like you. Oh, these are gorgeous. And then we have this pretty sheet. And then there are these little toppers. And then these are obviously all will come away from the sheet, and you could pop those onto your card. So I really love those. And then onto the beautiful papers, and again the papers are a good quality, much better than the normal quality of the papers in the magazine. So that one is lovely. Oh, I like this. Oh, now then. Oh, I really, really like that. I think that could be a favourite. Beautiful. Love the colours and love the beautiful. It looks like roses or peony flowers on there. Absolutely beautiful. And then we have this pretty pink. Then we have the one with the little birds, and then this one again with the cute little birds on there. This one, I'm not sure what the birds are. However, they are really, really nice. So I like that one. And we have one with the different coloured leaves on there. And then the pretty paper with the little birds. And then this one is the same as the pink one, but only in a blue. Some more with leaves. Oh, again, I really like this one. So pretty. Very, very pretty. Love that one as well. I think this one and the blue one might be my favourite. And we have the blue background with the little birds, the leaves with the lilac background. Then we have some more birds. Oh, it's going on and on. Absolutely beautiful. So we have more birds, and then I think these are a repeat of all of the papers I showed you earlier. Yeah, they are. So I won't bother going through those ones, but absolutely fabulous. I love that. So I've already created a couple of things off camera using this gorgeous Springbirds paper pad. So I'm going to share those with you now. So the first little thing I made was this. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it. I might call it a doily pocket, but unsure at the moment. So I'll tell you how I've created it. First of all, I had some little crafty doilies, and I popped one of those onto some lilac card, and then I cut the card to match in with the edges of the doily. Then I took this paper and I cut this little part of my paper out where I have this little cute bird. Then I took some more of my lilac cardstock and I stamped a best wishes out and cut around it and stuck that on to my little doily. And then I have created this cute little bow with some threads, and then I've popped a little gem just into the center there. And then if I just flip it over, I've popped a little pocket, and again I cut the shape and then just cut around the edge to make the same shape as the doily. And then I've got just to show you a couple of the little toppers from the paper pad, and I'm just going to pop those in to the back of my pocket like so. So that is my first little make. And then the next thing that I created was a card. So what I've done here is I had some leftover lilac card, so I've popped that to the bottom of my card. I've then cut this pretty paper from the paper pad and stuck that down. And then I had some large doilies which I have just trimmed down to get this shape here on the lower part of my card. I then cut down one of the little borders and popped that along my card and just tucked it underneath my card. Then I've taken another one of the pretty toppers and popped that over the top, and then I took my little purple gems and stuck those along the border. So there are my two makes from the Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine, issue 266. So yeah, if you are interested in the magazine, you will get the beautiful papers included in the magazine. A good way to buy the magazine is if you head over to Craft Stash. I will leave a link to it in my description box below. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you ever so much for watching. Would you please leave me a thumbs up and also leave me a comment? I would really, really love to hear from you. Let me know if you have bought the magazine and if you have made anything using the papers, or if you are going to buy the magazine. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, see you all soon, and bye bye for now.